Hello everyone. In this video, I will teach you step by step how you can convert a Microsoft Word document into a PDF file from your laptop. So here I have opened the Microsoft Word document that we are going to convert into a PDF file. You can see here that it is a whole editable Word document with pictures and stuff. Now let's convert it into a PDF file. From your laptop, first open Chrome or any other browser and type convert Word to PDF in there. Multiple websites will appear in front of you. Some of them are paid while some are for free. So why pay when you can get the same thing for free? On this page, the first one called ilovepdf.com is for free. So let's tap on that. I will also drop its link in the description below. Now you can see there is a red box with select Word file written on it. We will click on it and select the Word file we want to convert into a PDF document. From here, we can select our file. The file has been attached. Now click on Convert to PDF. The Word document is being converted into a PDF file. This can sometimes take a second. Now here we have it saying that we can download our PDF file. So we will click on it and wait for a few seconds and the PDF file will appear in the downloads of our laptop. Here you can see that the file has been converted. You can also check the document from the download section of your laptop. Here you can see that the file has been converted to a PDF file. If you want to learn to convert a PDF file into a Word document, I will drop the link in the description below. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if it did.